So now we're going to make an origami elephant for our zoo-themed origami set. Start with our elephant paper, which looks like this, and we turn it over and make sure the word top is facing upwards like this. Next, we're going to crease the paper in half in the diagonal. So crease it in half. And open it back up. Next, we're going to fold along these dotted lines inwards towards the middle. This is about 1/3 towards the middle of the angle. So along this dotted line here. Next, we're going to fold the whole thing in half from right to left like this, and then we're going to turn it 45 degrees like this. Next, we're going to fold along this dotted line from left to right. So along that dotted line, we fold from left to right. And the bottom should be flush down here. Next, we're going to open this flap that we just made. We insert our finger into the flap and we pull it apart, and it will come out with a point, and we bring the point down and you can see the elephant's head starting to form. Next, we're going to take scissors and we're going to cut along these two little lines here. So we're going to make a snip here and a snip here. Snip and snip. And we're going to fold along these two dotted lines backwards to make the elephant's nose. So we fold along those dotted lines carefully to the back, and we do the same on this side. Next, we're going to make some accordion folds to finish the nose. So first we're going to start by folding it backwards and then forwards and backwards again and forwards again along those dotted lines, and that's called an accordion fold. Next, we're going to form the ears by following these two dotted lines. We're going to tuck them in by placing our finger here and pushing our finger inside and squeezing along the first line, and then folding along the second line so that we get a nice ear. And we're going to do the same here. We're going to first fold the first line, dotted line, and then fold along the second dotted line back outwards like this. Now we're going to finish the tail. We're going to inside reverse fold, which means tuck in along this dotted line. So first we can do a fold to pre-fold it and make it easier to tuck in. And what we do when we tuck it in is we open it up and we push along the spine and push it inside so it looks like this. Next, we're going to do another reverse fold back out along this dotted line here. So we're pushing along the spine back out near this point, and we fold along those dotted lines and form the tail like this. And lastly, to finish it, we fold along this dotted line here and wrap the tail inside like this, and also again on the back wrap that inside, and our elephant is finished.